Alrighty then, mic check, mic check. Welcome back to AlgoBox live stream. I'm up 1500 on the day. Live stream, live account, broker statements included. If you're following me over there on Twitter at real Vinny Emini. Let's do this. Are you ready?
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance, but the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use that, they have front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
All right, final half hour. Don't forget, trading is risky, but if trading is for you, this might also be the place for you. Got a region drawn in above us. We just tapped into it. Again, right here, we're going to be watching how we react. We have had building delta down below, so things we are keeping an eye on. This might be a legitimate move up. Could be a fake out down below with a nice trade opportunity to the long side. Just remembered, just like a great gamer, if you are going to be gaming, make sure you turn off your real-time protection. Put your computer in game mode. There we go. All right. We've got a green Enigma on the left over here. Got my finger over the buy. I'm going to do an Enigma touch. I want to hear the audio box come with me. I'm sorry, not Enigma touch. And Bollinger touch. If we got a trap down here.
Double delta sell NQ on the 3.
Speeds there at 23. We want to see that over 30. Or I can adjust to the ones.
Fib.NQ on
my P&L's not slow. Thanks, Missile. Masher, not quite where we want it to be either. Look at the Masher over here, right? What should this tell us? This is basically like, take it or leave it, right? We need something down here, up here, this middle area. Still got a half hour, plenty of time. See if that Enigma went 20 ticks. Pretty sure it did. Yes, so that Enigma there went 36 ticks. Previous one, how far did that go? That one went 43. That one went 38, and the red one went 32. So every single one of these wins so far, except for this one. Only one in there. So we've had a series of winners on that. Okay, here in the sellers coming in here. I'm going to go ahead and take a stab short here, targeting the back of the Enigma. We went into king timing right here. Hopefully it doesn't set the trap there. We'd like to see some follow through on that. Didn't reload my trades from this morning. Let's load those up over here. Trade number 1. Okay, we got
Delta by NQ on
we
the
need to see that breakthrough, otherwise this could be a problem. Want to see a break. There we go. We tapped through the bottom of that one. We got a second one, a little bit smaller. I'll go ahead and close out that position there. $500 trade for 4 contracts, $100 contract. Not too bad as we touch the bottom of the masher now. Masher line is now touched, so we've got good trade opportunities here now. We've got a double delta right here, so we want to take the next play. Lots of alpha omega playing right here. This is going to be a huge zone. We can totally see it. It's already marked out for us. So I'm going to move my drawing tool menu out of the way here. This whole little zone right here, I can mark it out. Let's go ahead and do it. Huge in here. Give me an Enigma in here, any kind of play set up in here. I'd love to see it pop back up in here. Give me a double cross right in this zone would be amazing. Anywhere here, give me a double cross. Boom, we'll take it to the short side. We want a low risk entry before we start to take it.
Enigma short on the NQ3.
Enigma short on the right. I'll go ahead and toe in on that. It's not quite up in here where I'd like it to be. We've got plenty of space to add in. I want to hear the audio box come with me or a touch of the Bollinger at the back. There it is. Oh, yikes. Okay, we've got an opposing scenario here, so I've got to start to work out of the position here. Just got a green on that. And remember, any kind of down moves like this can be traps, especially when you've got a zone up above you. Yeah, I'm going to close it out. Nope. Don't like that. So originally, idea was to go in on this red right here. Going to mark that one out. But that is a moonshot to the long side here. And again, we're not really, the ideal would be to see a play set up inside of this area here. Okay, there's one white cross. Give me some crosses up in here.
Delta cell building NQ on the
speed almost where we need it to be. Speed is at 28. We need it to be about 30.
Double delta cell NQ on the 3.
Okay, got our red up here. Want to see us touch in on the top here. What's our time? 3:39. Didn't get my white crosses in there. This is a major zone. You can see it. All of the alpha megas. This is extremely rare to see this much alpha mega activity in one place, unless it's end of day or beginning of day. So if they're exchanging hands here, we've got plays in both directions.
Double delta sell NQ on the 3.
We just want to take setups. Could prepare for possibly an end of day drop. Or if we're going to continue to melt up. We've been melting up since, yeah, pretty much all day. 11 o'clock beast mode turning point. Okay, there's one cross.
Double delta sell
I'm going to go ahead
NQ on
and
the
toe in the
3.
water here. Let's see if we get a play. We also have a red alpha omega over on the right. Easy stop outs on the crosses. I can always press to close at the top of a cross. Pretty easy there. Got my left hand over the close, right hand over the sell. If I get another cross, I can add to position.
Double delta buy NQ on the 3. Double delta sell NQ on the 2. Enigma long on the NQ2.
Double king timing on the right. Hopefully we're on the right side because it's about to rip.
Enigma short on the NQ3. Enigma short on the NQ3. Double delta by NQ on the 3. Double delta sell NQ on the 3.
Double delta on the 3s. So we'll take the next play. Watch out for single right crosses at the bottom of these. Oftentimes can be the signal of the retail trap. Speed just went down to 18, telling me to lay off. Okay, I'm going to change the filter over here to, looks like what we turned was 13s. No, 12s are turning it too, so 10s are not. So let's put it to 11.5.
Enigma short on the NQ2.
All right, I'll toe in the water here on Enigma short. See if we get the drop out again. It's got to be very careful of trap here. We got, single white crosses. I've told you guys this before. I'll close out right behind that Enigma. Since it's a single, I'll go ahead and put it in. Buy stop market 2. Oh shoot, look at the time. We're about to hit 45 seconds. We've got the 350 algo kicking, and it's going to go nuts here. Gonna hold tight. 30 seconds till insanity, and then we'll look for lucky sevens.
Double delta sell NQ on the 2.
Yep, here it comes. 20 seconds. Remember this right here. Mark this on your charts. When it looks like this, we'll talk about this tonight in our Mentorship Monday. Single cross traps at the bottom of moves. When everything looks like it's in a direction, boom, there's retail. It's not strong enough to be algorithmic. Otherwise, it would be an alpha omega. That's just enough that tells you, yep, you got the retail offsides. Usually great opportunities for reversal opportunities. Single cross by itself at an area like that. Okay, there's a 350 algo. Didn't move it too much, but you can tell the speed's starting to increase. Now we can play that same thing on the other side. So once it starts to move up here, once we got something very clear to the upside and then a single cross sitting there, another same thing, trap on the other side, bull trap. If we get back up into that zone. Remember, one of the things I wanted to see was, I still said the same thing from before, I want to see a double cross anywhere in this, around this line, anywhere to the top side of that for a short, or for moving around in here. Doubles at the bottom, same thing.
Speed of NQ 127.
Okay, speed is way up. Whoa, speed is over 100 now. Very fast.
DCDM NQ on the 2.
Double cross.